Chào các bạn, welcome back to Vietlingo. My name is Thanh Huyền. We're going to cover a fundamental topic that thankfully very simple. Basic Vietnamese word order. Understanding this will give you the confidence to start building your own sentence right away. We show you how the subject, verb, object, SVO structure words in Vietnamese. Just like in English, we also look at a small but important difference when you have two verbs in a row. By the end of this short lesson, you will be forming basic sentence like a pro. Okay, part 1. SVO structures. The basic formula for a simple sentence in Vietnamese is subject plus verb plus object. Let's break that down. Subject, the person or thing doing the action. I, you, she, the cat. Verb, the action word. Eat, like, know, want. And object, the person or thing receiving the action. Coffee, a book, him. This is exactly the same as English. Let's look at some example. English. I know Vietnamese. Vietnamese. Em biết tiếng Việt. So subject in here is em. I. Verb is biết. Know. Object is tiếng Việt, Vietnamese language. Let's try another one. English. She likes apples. Vietnamese. Chị ấy thích táo. We have S for subject. Chị ấy, she. Thích, likes is the verb. And object, táo, apples. See, it's a direct word-for-word translation, super easy. Part 2 is sentences with two verbs. Now, what happens when you have two verbs in a row? For example, in English, we say, I like to play games, or she wants to drink water. We often add the word to between the verb. In Vietnam, it's even simpler. You just put the two verbs next to each other. No extra word is needed. Let's look at the structures. Subject plus verb 1 plus verb 2 plus object. Here are some examples. For English, they like playing games. Họ thích chơi game. Verb 1 is thích, like. Verb 2, chơi, play. You don't need to or in, just thích, chơi. Another example. Another example, he wants to drink water. Anh ấy muốn uống nước. Verb 1, muốn, wants. Verb 2, uống, to drink. Again, just put them together. Muốn, uống. Let's see the third example. For English, I know to speak Vietnamese. Vietnamese. Em biết nói tiếng Việt. Biết, know. Verb 2, nói, to speak. The phrase how to is not needed. Biết nói means know how to speak. Part 3, let's practice. Now it's your turn. How would you say the following sentence in Vietnamese? I will give you a moment to think. 1. How do you say I like you? The answer is mình thích bạn. Or closer friend might say tớ thích cậu. Subjects mình. Verb is thích. Object is bạn. How do you say she wants to eat phở? The answer is cô ấy muốn ăn phở. Subject, cô ấy. Verb 1, muốn. Verb 2, ăn. Object, phở. 3. How do you say he knows how to cook curry? The answer, anh ấy biết nấu cà ri. Anh ấy is subject. Verb 1 is biết. Verb 2, know. And cà ri is object. Great job! Let's recap the simple but powerful rules we have learned today. Basic word order. Subject, verb, object. SVO. This is the same as in English. 2 verbs in a row. Subject plus verb 1 and verb 2 plus object. Just play the 2 verbs side by side. No extra word like to or in are needed. That's it. You've just learned the core Vietnamese sentence structures. Remember this simple rule and you can start mixing and matching the nouns and verbs you know to create hundreds of your own sentences. It's that straightforward. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to Vietlingo for more easy to understand lesson. Cảm ơn, xin chào và hẹn gặp lại.
That's the end of today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching and learning Vietnamese with us. If you'd like to experience our teaching style in person, we'd love to invite you to a 30-minute free trial lesson with one of our experienced Vietlingo teachers. Just scan the QR code and book your spot. We've helped thousands of learners around the world speak Vietnamese with confidence, and we can help you too.